Hello. So I'm just going to briefly describe what AgentSec is and what the code base for this project does. Mainly, I'm going to point you to other resources that get into much more detail since this is limited to 3 minutes. But essentially, since a picture says 1,000 words, AgentSec is like a security framework for agentic AI that kind of provides a specification. The argument being that setting things up this way is inherently more secure and reliable than doing it sort of bare. And the idea is sort of inspired by social hierarchies or social organizations that, such as maybe the government, which controls access to information based on clearance levels. And the idea is that if you want to trust agents, AI agents with secure information, you need a hierarchy where sort of the agents that are exposed to the external environment have very limited access to information, whereas sort of higher level agents aren't exposed to the environment, have access to that information, but it never reaches the external world because you also have an auditor which checks the security policy and confirms whether or not it's the outgoing instructions comply with it. And so basically what this project does is I have this external input here, and the idea is you try to, I have a sort of mock database, and the idea is to sort of try to red team it, try to get those secrets out of the system. And in any case, it's a little messy. This has to be cleaned up, but you can find a lot more information in the presentation slides I included. And also, I have a whole white paper, so all of that in much more detail will be spelled out. And that's